was the last time you needed your passport to travel? Don't get me wrong, there's an endless list of beautiful destinations right here in the United States, all of them exciting and surely the perfect setting for your next dream vacation. On the other hand, if you're ready to explore new countries and cultures, we are here to help. Your Palmera Vacation Club membership portal does all of the hard work, but we have some advice to pass on to you, starting with air travel. Have you heard about the Thanksgiving theory? Based on past and projected trends, it's normally cheaper to fly internationally during the Thanksgiving vacation period. It always depends on actual customer demand, of course, but if you think about it, the theory holds up. The majority of Americans fly domestically during this holiday period to be with friends and family, leaving international travel for winter holidays. Airlines typically lower their prices to just fill the seat. There were various top trending international destinations in the 3 following regions and countries for 2022: the United Kingdom, the Caribbean, and Italy. Let's see how you can travel to any of these destinations using the 6 ways to travel on your member portal. Quest Travel Club should be the first place to look if you're wanting to book airfare, rental cars, and activities on top of accommodations. Here's a general example so we can compare international and domestic airfare during this time period. On top of discounted prices for the weeks close to Thanksgiving, Quest normally finds the best deals on flights as it is. If we look at the cheapest prices for the domestic flights, it looks like you need to pay for bags, which can add up significantly. For hotels, you'll always find great deals as well. As you would probably guess, there are a lot of accommodation options for London. From 5-star hotels to hostels, Quest's search results allow you to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, making it easy to see your total savings as well. The map view is also a great tool to use, especially when you've done your research and know exactly where you want your home base to be located during your trip. Edinburgh is another trending destination in the United Kingdom for this fall. Quest has pages full of some of the most popular and bucket list worthy activities to choose from that are perfect for any budget. Look out for tours to other surrounding regions for easy day trips that include transportation and entry tickets to popular landmarks. You'll also find shorter tours that let you explore castles and learn more about the historic locations, haunted or otherwise, as well as sample classic Scottish food and beverages. The second trending region for this fall and winter is the Caribbean, which shows that Americans love their sunshine. There are certainly more popular islands and cities than others, but for the sake of this video, we're recommending our favorite destinations that you might want to look further into. The first suggestion being Curacao, a Dutch Caribbean island known for its colorful architecture, friendly locals, and coral reefs. It just so happens that the RCI Exchange has 2 resort options available on Curacao, one of which is a reminder to always look up the resort's websites if there are no photos listed on the profile. Look at how beautiful this resort is. Our second suggestion, St. Vincent, is known for its popular sailing destinations, and do we have an experience for you? Offered on the RCI Exchange, the Tradewind St. Vincent and Grenadines is a 7-night all-inclusive cruise in lieu of a hotel or resort. Snorkel in secluded bays and enjoy some peace and relaxation aboard your yacht as you cruise around 32 islands, only 9 of which are inhabited. Sounds like a trip of a lifetime. Italy is typically very popular in the summer months, but don't discredit the fall season. You'll find less crowds and arrive just in time for the harvest, meaning delicious food and wines that are celebrated with festivals and events. Pack a coat or 2 if you're visiting at the end of November. However, how cold it actually gets always depends on what region you're visiting. The RCI Exchange makes it easy to plan your Italian getaway, dividing your search into 9 regions. You'll find the most resorts located in the Italian Alps, but there are properties located throughout the country. How would you like to stay in a castle set in the beautiful Italian countryside? Minutes from the charming town of Todi, the Castello Isolini Todi Resort is a perfect home base to explore Umbria, the central Italian region that sits just to the right of Tuscany and is made up of medieval towns, Roman ruins, and scenic lakes tucked into the hillside. Of course, if you're looking for temperate weather and a long lineup of festivals, you might not have to cross oceans to find it. Once the summer season dies down, the shoulder season on Hilton Head Island is arguably the best time to visit. The 6 ways to travel has many ways for you to find great deals on a trip to the island. If you're wanting to use cash, check out what VIP weeks are available. If you're looking to use up your points for 2022, search for availability through the Palmera Resorts tab. As a reminder, if you have points that you are not going to use for the remainder of 2022, go ahead and save your points now before you forget.